Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix keyboard keeps freezing or disappearing on iPhone 50 Pro and 50 Pro Max without wasting any time. Let's start this video. Solution number 1: force close the app and reopen it, and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying this solution number 2. Solution number 2 is reset keyboard dictionary. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on general, scroll up, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset setting, tap on reset keyboard dictionary, enter your iPhone passcode. You can see appears on screen reset dictionary. This will delete all custom words you have typed on the keyboard, returning the keyboard dictionary to factory defaults. Tap on reset dictionary to confirm this action, and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying this solution number 3. Solution number 3 is force restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button, and press the power button. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, and release the power button and wait 5 to 10 seconds, and restarting your iPhone, and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying this solution number 4. Solution number 4 is update iOS version. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on general, tap on software update. If update is pending, download and install the update, and problem is fixed. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying this solution number 5. Solution number 5 is reset all settings. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Tap on general, tap on scroll up, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset setting, tap on reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode. You can see appears on screen reset all settings. This will reset all settings, and your Apple Pay cards, keys and passes will be removed. No data or media will be deleted. Tap on reset all settings to confirm this action, and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact with support.apple.com and fix your problem. How to fix keyboard keeps freezing and disappearing on iPhone 50 Pro and 50 Pro Max is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.